welcome back everybody. We are back on the stihl ms260. We have gotten the carb kit in for it, and we're going to match it up, make sure everything is what it should be. And let's see here, this is it here. Excuse me. Sharpen these scissors. Where are you at? Come on out here. There we go. All right. It took me a minute to find this one. But I think I have the right one. So that gasket is correct. So we're good there. This bottom side here, this bottom gasket looks to be correct. Yep. So far it's looking good. It appears to be the same diaphragm, so we're good there. And the pump side also appears to be this appears to be the correct one. Excuse me. Oop, wrong way. So, got a small needle valve, and that's what's in here. Got a new screen. I believe we're all good to go. All right. We should be able to overhaul this, no problem. And it is already pretty daggone clean. The only issue with this is that the internal started to dry up on it. So I'm going to get this old gasket off of here, because we are going to use all the new parts. All right, there's that. Scrape the surface, making sure that we got all the old material, gasket material off of here. Alright, so we got our new arm. The only thing that I see it didn't come with is a spring. Not unless it took off somewhere and I didn't see it. Alright. So we've got our little arm here. And we're going to put on our new needle valve. And we're going to set our spring in its little spring pocket here. And we'll take our screwdriver and we'll back our little screw out a little bit. And we'll grab our new rod. And we're going to set everything into place all at once. And there we go. That looks like it's at the correct level. Which it should be fairly flush to the inside of here. And we're going to install our new gasket. And we can install our new diaphragm. I want to push that down just a hair because this sticks up a little proud. Well, all right. Let's see what we got. All right. Let's and now I gotta remember remember which way the carb was. I think it was that way, so that means that this goes like that. Really? Can't get them to fall out nicely. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. One in the middle. That's old. That's trash. Let me double check. That's the back of our air filter. So if that goes that, well, there. Well, daggone it. Well, let's do it this way. I don't remember which way the that top goes on. Okay. So we'll start on the back side here. It's in pretty good shape. In the hopes that this will help me orient it a little bit better, a little easier. Right. So that goes this way, that goes that way. So that means that goes to the back of there, that this goes on this way. All right. We got her now. All right. So this should take and eliminate the flooding issue that we had with this saw. When I first fired it up, everything seemed to run fine. And let it sit for a couple days and come back to it, and it had flooded just sitting there, and flooded enough that it was pouring out of the exhaust, the muffler, and that wasn't good. Got that purged out, and she fired up after that, but there was runnability issues, and, so I decided to pull the carb apart and take a good look at it. And that diaphragm was just as stiff as could be and was pushing down on the needle valve. All right, so this stuff here is trash. I almost forgot, guys. The carburetor rebuild kit for the stihl ms260 is a Walbro K10 WTE. If you have the Walbro carburetor, if you got the Walbro carburetor, it's the K10 WTE. All right, have a good one.